With chapter number 1, the basics of web designing. वेब डिज़ाइनिंग नाम सुन के हमारे माइंड में आना चाहिए कि हम किसी वेब पेज को डिज़ाइन करने वाले हैं। सो उसके बेसिक्स क्या हैं? सबसे पहले हमें पता होना चाहिए कि वेब पेज होता क्या है। सो विल डू इट इन दिस सेशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट मीडियम्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन एंड सोर्सेज ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन? क्या होते हैं? कम्युनिकेशन के मीडियम क्या है जिसके थ्रू वी कैन कम्युनिकेट? इट कैन बी रेडियो, इट कैन बी टेलीविजन, इट कैन बी न्यूज़पेपर, इट कैन बी पोस्टर, बैनर. ऑल दीज आर द कम्युनिकेशन मीडियम जिसके थ्रू वी कैन शेयर द इंफॉर्मेशन, वी कैन गेट द इंफॉर्मेशन. फाइन. बट nowadays we are getting information using internet. So what is internet? Internet is a global computer network which allow people across the world to access information and exchange thoughts and ideas. आप अपने थॉट्स को शेयर करना चाहते हैं, आप कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन को गेट करना चाहते हैं, तो व्हाट विल डू? मीनिंग ऑफ इंटरनेट, अ ग्लोबल कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क प्रोवाइडिंग अ वैरायटी ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन फैसिलिटीज. फाइन. What is the use of internet? We can send messages, we can send electronic mails, what do you call it, emails, we can do research, we can download files, we can discuss in the groups, play games online, interactive games होते हैं जो, we can do education work also, we can have e-newspapers, that is electronic newspapers and magazines. So all these are the uses of internet through which we can communicate as well as we can get information. Fine. Next comes the web browser. Now you can see I have downloaded some pages. These all are the web pages. First comes web browser. What do you mean by web browser? Browser, it's a software application for accessing information on www, that is World Wide Web. World Wide Web. सॉफ्टवेयर एप्लीकेशन, ये एक सॉफ्टवेयर एप्लीकेशन है जिसके थ्रू आप कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. अगर आपके पास वेब ब्राउज़र ही नहीं है, मीन्स इफ़ यू हैव नॉट डाउनलोडेड एनी वेब ब्राउज़र, इफ़ एनी web browser is not installed in your system, you cannot browse anything, you cannot search anything, you cannot connect to the internet. So first is web browser. You can see it's given a web browser. A browser is a software application for accessing information on www. When a user requests a particular website, for example, I want to search for coronavirus. When a user requests a particular website, here I'm a user, I'm searching for coronavirus website. The web browser retrieves the necessary content from a web server. It will get the information through the web server and display the result in web page. All these are the web pages. I have searched for coronavirus, so I got this information. All these are the web pages. Fine. Now comes to web browsers, name of the web browser. For example, I am working on, this is our Google Chrome. I am working on Chrome. This is Google Chrome. Here this site is open through Chrome browser. This is Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari. All these are the web browsers. Fine. Then comes website. So website is a collection of web pages. अगर आप एक particular topic के बारे में सर्च करते हैं तो it's a website. It may have only single page or it may have more than one pages. So a website is a collection of web pages. If I search for web page, it will give you these complete pages. When you click on any of the link in between, when I click on it, it will open some other pages. It's a place जहाँ पर कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, कोई भी कंपनी, लेट्स सपोज एक स्कूल की वेबसाइट होती है, उसके अंदर बहुत सारे पेजेस होते हैं. फ़ोटोज़ का अलग वेब पेज होता है. हमारी स्कूल की जो हिस्ट्री रही है दैट विल बी ऑन अनदर पेज. कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स विल बी ऑन अनदर पेज. एलुमनाई विल बी ऑन अनदर पेज. ऑल दीज थिंग्स मेक्स अ वेबसाइट. फाइन. It's a collection of web pages. For example, Wikipedia, Google.com, Amazon.com, all these are the web sites. Then comes parts of web pages. Web page, this is a web page. For example, this is a web page. Now look here. This is our https www.livewire.com parts of a web page. It completes a URL, Uniform Research Locator. It's a complete address of the web page. It's a web page, it's a website. A page is a web page. It's a URL of this web page. Then comes HTTP. It starts with HTTP. Without HTTP, internet cannot work. It makes linking and browsing possible. ये जो भी लिंकिंग है वेब पेजेस के बीच में, या जो भी हम ब्राउज करते हैं, इन दोनों को कनेक्ट कौन करता है? HTTP, हाइपर टेक्स्ट ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल, एंड S means secure. So this site is hypertext transfer protocol secured. It's a secured site. S का meaning इसमें क्या है? Secured one. This site is secured. Fine. Then comes menu bar. When you go through the desktop version, this is not a desktop version, so I cannot show you that menu bar. Menu bar will be on the top where you can see file, edit, all these menus. Fine. Menu bar performs tasks like cut, copy, paste, save as. All these are the parts of menu bar. Then comes search. When you click on any browser, any software application browser, this is your search bar. You can search anything on this bar. When whatever you write in this bar, click on this icon, you'll get the web pages and the links of this particular search option. Fine. Any information can be searched through this search bar. Then comes most visited. List of frequently visited website. Let's suppose I have visited to this particular websites 5 times. 5 times if I visited this, and other websites I've gone through those websites only one time. So my most visited website is web browser Wikipedia. Fine. Because the number of frequently visited websites are more in this. Then comes history. History means I have clicked on this website first, then another page, then this page, then this, and like this. So my history will be this. One is coronavirus India, then this page, then this page, then you'll be having wikipedia.org, then this page livewire.com, and then browser. Web browser definition. So these are the history. Whenever you click on the browser, whenever you click on the Google Chrome or Firefox or any browser, It creates a history. Then comes settings. Browser settings can be changed. All these options can be changed according to your choice. All these options can be changed. You can have more than this option in this taskbar. Fine. So this is the main thing of internet, of a web page, website. All these are the parts of web pages. Then comes web page. Web pages types. How many types of web pages are? Two types of web pages are there: static website, web page, and dynamic web page. So स्टैटिक का मीनिंग फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या आता है माइंड में? स्टैटिक का मतलब होता है जो चीज़ कभी चेंज नहीं होती है, और डायनेमिक का मतलब होता है जो फ्रीक्वेंटली चेंज होती है. सो स्टैटिक वेब पेज प्रोवाइड्स सेम इंफॉर्मेशन व्हेनेवर यूज़र रिक्वेस्ट. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, आपने एक विकीपीडिया पे कंटेंट देखा है, ये विकीपीडिया का कंटेंट हमने सर्च किया. नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन यू कम बैक यू आर सर्चिंग द सेम थिंग, वेब ब्राउज़र, it will show you the same content. This is static web page. There is no change in the content. Maybe the very slight change, but most probably there will be no change. This is called static website. Another one is dynamic website. Dynamic website means the site which is frequently changes and a user can interact with it. For example, you must be seeing this e-commerce website these days, Flipkart, Amazon. Sometimes a thing is available and when you come back the thing is not available, the item is not available. That is user interactive site. This is frequently changing, so that is called dynamic website, web page, dynamic web page. For example, coronavirus. For now, when you click on the overview of coronavirus symptoms, prevention, treatments, all these will be same. But when you click on the news of coronavirus, it is changing. In India, there are maybe only 10,000 cases today, but after 2 hours there will be more than that. So news is changing according to the time. It's dynamic. Statistics is changing hourly basis, 2 hourly basis. So these two things are dynamic, but symptoms, prevention, treatments, all three will be same. Fine. So these are the types of web pages: static web page and dynamic. For example, static web page, Wikipedia, Facebook. Facebook is not interactive at all. Wikipedia is not interactive. You can get information through it, but it's not interactive. But blogs, when you write blogs, Blogspot blogs, Flipkart, Amazon, e-commerce websites, all these are interactive too. Read the newspaper article given below and help Reena make key points. We have to make key points. First is air, smoke from vehicle. Key points from this passage, you can see the key, you can make the key points. Another is causes. You can find out the causes by air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, lung cancer, asthma, breathing problems, all these are the causes. We have to make key points. Then water. From where we get this water pollution? Industrial waste products, death of marine life, noise, sound ons. Causes क्या हैं उसके? Stress, sleeping disturbance and hearing loss. So these are the key points from this newspaper, from this article. What mediums of communication we can use to share the key points? इन की पॉइंट्स को शेयर करने के लिए क्या क्या हमारे पास मीडियम्स हो सकते हैं? हमारे पास मीडियम्स हमने क्या पढ़े थे अभी? न्यूज़पेपर्स होते हैं, बैनर्स होते हैं, पोस्टर्स होते हैं, टेलीविजन्स होते हैं, रेडियो होते हैं. ऑल दीज आर द इंटरनेट ऑल्सो. इंटरनेट के थ्रू हम अब कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. सो ऑल दीज आर द कम्युनिकेशन मीडियम. देन कम्स images given below convey the uses of internet. Identify the use of internet from options. This is the icon of email through which a person can send mail to across the world. This is the icon for chatting. You can see two persons are there, they are chatting to each other. This is, you can see the faces here, so this is a video call. Fine. So these are the communication channel for us. Next page. If you were given access to internet connection for 10 minutes, आपको अगर 10 minutes के लिए internet connection दिया जाए तो आप क्या करेंगे? How will you use that internet? Maybe for me, I'll get some information which is not clear to me. I'll get that information through internet of any topic. Then comes, these are the Google Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, all these are the web browsers. We'll read them later also. Here they have given 4 questions. First is, it's not clear. Okay, various option available in the menu bar. Menu bar में कौन कौन से options available होते हैं? File, View, Edit, History, Tools, Help and Bookmarks. You can do it from the last page also. It's given here. File, Edit, View, Bookmarks, all these are the options. Then comes, what does URL stand for? URL stand for Uniform Resource Locator. Next question, name the browser that is displayed. जो आपको इस पिक्चर में डिस्प्ले किया गया है उस ब्राउज़र का नाम है Firefox. This is Firefox. So you have to write Firefox. Then comes, which option is used to view recently visited web pages? आप कहाँ से पता कर सकते हैं कि कौन से पेजेस आपने सबसे ज़्यादा विजिट किए हैं? सबसे ज़्यादा आप किन पेजेस पे गए हैं? ये मोस्ट विजिटेड इज़ द ऑप्शन टू गेट द इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ recently visited pages. Fine. Then comes, find meaning for the words static and dynamic. As I already told you, static means stable, which is not changing, and dynamic means which is changing constantly. So static is stable, dynamic is constant change. Okay, so these words are given, we have to divide them. Fixed is for static, stable is for static, changing is for dynamic, still is for static, lively is for dynamic, energetic is for dynamic, constant is for static, active is for dynamic. Next page is, identify the static and dynamic web pages from the images of the web page given below. They have given you a web page. This is a web page given. So we have to identify the static web page in this. Static. The content of the above page will never change unless the author of the page makes changes. This is the first page given. You have to check whether it's a static one or dynamic. If it's static, why it's static? If it's dynamic web page, why it's dynamic web page? It's a static web page because the content given by the author will not change. Fine. The content of the web page will never change unless the author of the page makes changes. Fine. Next page is this, second web page. Login page, name and password. It's a dynamic one. Why? Because it's user interactive. If your name is Aditya, You will write Aditya here, but my name is Ruchika, so I'll write Ruchika. It's a user interactive page. Dynamic, the content of this page varies according to the user input. The content are not stable of always. जो content हम इसमें देंगे, that will not be, it's not stable at all. Clear? Then comes, we have to distinguish and compare static and dynamic web pages in this picture. Fill the data based on the given parameters. These are the parameters given. According to the type of the web page, it's a static, it's dynamic. According to the content, content किसमें change होता है? It's dynamic, keeps changing, and content it remains constant in static. Then web page update. जब वेब पेज को अपडेट का मतलब होता है कोई भी चेंज करना, चेंज करके उसको हम अपडेट करते हैं. तो अपडेट कौन सा वेब पेज होता है? ये बहुत कम होता है, दैट इज स्टैटिक. रेयर, फ्रीक्वेंट कौन सा होता है? हमारे लिए डायनेमिक होता है, जिसमें चेंजेस बहुत फ्रीक्वेंटली आते हैं. देन इंटरैक्टिविटी, देयर विल बी नो इंटरैक्टिविटी फॉर द यूज़र इन स्टैटिक, and there is mostly user interactive in dynamic because it's user